Okay, look at us out here on a Sunday morning planting plants. First we're putting down the compost, and now we're putting in Chinese cabbage over here with Gina's help, and Jared's help is to put the compost on the ground first, laying it out. Oh my gosh, the soil is getting much enriched. And then Daryl is helping put the chips down on pathways. So here in this section of the garden is Asia. Peaches are from Asia, so we have some peach trees out here. So now we have a Chinese cabbage or Napa cabbage, and then this is bok choy. So I love those green vegetables, and so many food crops come from that part of the world, from East Asia. Thanks for everybody's help in our global family farm. Here at our global family farm, we celebrate the food cultures from around the world and give respect and honor to indigenous food crops and global cuisine and family traditions. Here's another angle of our Asian garden section. We have bamboo around our stage and our backdrop. And there's number one helper today too, Daryl. Thank you. There he goes through the trees. These trees also from Asia, the Asian pears. And next week we're going to do fruit tree pruning. So come join us at our global family farm. Ourglobalfamilyfarm.com is the website. We're here every Sunday from 9 to 12. Okay, this is the other section of our farm, the market garden, food crops that we grow to sell. And we have Katie's planting some lettuces. Lettuces are actually a European crop. Here we don't care about planting them by geography. We're just planting them so we can grow them and eat them. And we also harvest vegetables to take home. What vegetables do you like from this garden to eat?
My absolute favorite are the herbs. The dill and the red cabbage is phenomenal.
Oh my god, she had a red cabbage. Dill we don't have. We have these fennels right here. And gosh, we should grow some more dill. So she's planting lettuce and then some herbs too. We have some lavenders along here that she just planted, and the sage, and some borage. So this is going to be like a hedgerow, a row of herbs to attract the beneficial insects to come forage throughout our market garden, and hopefully keep away some of the aphids by attracting ladybugs that will eat the aphids. And this flowering plant, the alyssum, is supposed to be also helpful to attract the ladybugs, to help keep the aphids away from eating for the Swiss chard, for example. So we enjoy coming out here on Sundays, and maybe you will too. Come join us Sunday mornings, 9 a.m. to 12 noon, ourglobalfamilyfarm.com. We're in San Luis Obispo at City Farm, San Luis Obispo. Keep growing and keep going.